Alright guys, so the last time I made this, I didn't really use no seasoning. So today I got Worcestershire sauce, whatever, and some cumin because I wanted to give it that smoky like burger flavor, just about. And I'm gonna cook my beans first too, a little bit. You know what I'm saying, with the vegetables, I'm gonna cook a little bit. You know, a couple, a little bell pepper, a little onion, a little salt. You know what I'm saying? Tune in though. Fuck with me. Fuck with your boy. But add however much you want. You know what I'm saying? It's for your taste and shit. Don't make me no difference, you know what I'm saying? You the one eating it, I'm the one eating this one, you feel me? I had low-key added too damn much, but I ain't gonna even lie. But we gonna make it do what it do, baby. I'm about to put this with Worcestershire sauce. I already got all the seasonings and stuff in there. And I'm gonna just add a little sauce to get that little smoky. I'm not gonna cook this too long though, cause I still gotta mash it. I'm just trying to, let some of the peppers and stuff get a little flavor, get a little cooked down a little bit. Prepare the crab. Now this is real crab. This shit cost me $18. I was salty. I couldn't turn back though. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna prepare this. I'm gonna put a little of the mayo with it. I'm gonna use a little bit of these, but I'm gonna use some crackers as well. And you cannot forget the Old Bay seasoning. You feel me? I got up in this bowl is an egg, one egg. I don't know the measurements or whatever, but I got some sriracha mayonnaise, regular mayo, parsley, and about 8 crushed crackers. You're gonna stir this up before you put it in your crab meat. Put your crab meat in there. So yeah. This is what it look like when it's all stirred and stuff. You feel me? Should smell good too. You know what I'm saying? Surprisingly, left hand Russy. Ha ha ha. This is what that shit look like in the can. I ain't gonna lie. It's a little spooky. Next time I'm gonna use like real crabs and shit, but we gonna make it do what it do with this. Smell good. You know what I'm saying? Then I check the ingredients on the back. It's cool, I think. Yeah, it got some shit in there that I don't even know for real, but we gonna make it do what it do. So I added a little bit more Old Bay to it. You feel me? But this what it look like. I'm still gonna add a little more breadcrumbs because I want to add breadcrumbs a little bit because I like that crispiness. And then over here, they done. I'm gonna smash most of them, but I'm gonna leave some, regular because you want to let it have that texture. You feel me? You don't want it to be all mushy and shit. But yeah, check back in a little bit. Get the tequila! Tequila, tequila, tequila! My crab patties are in full effect. Make sure you use a cast iron skillet. Add a little butter, add a little oil. Let that heat up a little bit. We gonna get to it. I'm about to do the black bean patties now. Tune in. To show y'all these again, cause I damn near was finna eat one of these just like out right here. These motherfuckers good as hell. I ain't gonna even cap. Shit, hit my line. Come get y'all some. Yeah, them bitches brewing. Now I got these brewing. Add the little breadcrumbs and shit to your liking. I like my shit a little breaded. There's some that's done already. I got a couple that's like dark because I like mine like crunchy. Then I got a couple that's light. You feel me? I got some still brewing. You know what I'm saying? Like dark. I like mine like that. And then here are the black bean burger patties that I made. You can see that some of the beans are still in there. You know what I'm saying? That's just for the texture so it won't be like mushy and shit. But tune back in, stupid. So I'm showing y'all this again. Then I'm showing y'all this again. You feel me? Then I'm showing y'all, I took all that oil out. Now I'm gonna make some new one. I don't wanna cross, contaminate or whatever with the crab and the beans, you feel me? So now we about to do this. Let's go. I've been slaving over this hot stove, bitch. Yeah, the presentation might look a little ugly and shit, but they decent. Them bitches still decent. Then, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna show y'all how to make no damn burger. Y'all know how to do that shit. Get your little bun, little mayo, whatever the fuck you use. Put your little condiments on there and shit. Lettuce, tomatoes, onions, whatever the fuck you use. And shit, get to it. I just want to melt my cheese a little bit. So these two are the crab. Those two, the black bean. Got some fries in the oven. We don't need all the grease and shit. You know what I'm saying? A little more going around. And that's it. Y'all have a good day and fuck ya. I'm gonna show y'all goofies, you know what I'm saying? You toast your bun, man. Why would you eat a burger without no toasted bun? Get your shit right. Throw a little butter in that skillet. Toast them fucking buns, baby. Just how she like them. She like them buns toast, you know what I'm saying? And just like that, there you have it. Russy's Kitchen. Black bean burger, crab cake burger, little french fries, little tomato ketchup. I keep it simple. Just lettuce, a little onion, little ketchup, little tartar sauce, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you like on it. You know what I'm saying? That's it though. Hope y'all inspire somebody to eat a little more healthier, even though it's bread with it. You feel me? Health is wealth. Till next time, guys. Suck a dick. Swag, swag.